Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this dresser that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, so we've got a nice 9-drawer dresser. Well, it's going to be nice 9-drawer dresser. It's been beat up a little bit. And well, we're going to fix that by giving it a nice paint job after we sand it and remove all the hardware. Now, as I get ready to take off this hardware, I'll do a nice close-up of this. And while I'm doing that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have a lot of fun with this piece. So let's get started by removing that hardware and doing a quick overview of this piece. Overall, this piece is in pretty good condition. This top's a little bit rough. It's got watermarks on it. The polyurethane has been cracked on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to sand all that down. We're going to sand just over this piece nice and easy. Scuff it basically so the paint will stick nice to it. We'll do the same to the drawers and the door. And well, the DeWalt sander should be able to handle most of this, and then we'll hand sand the rest. So let's get started. Alright, so what we've done is we vacuumed it, wiped it down, and now we can start applying the paint. I've got my 2-inch Worcester brush. Everything's nice and ready to go. I'm going to do the drawers twice, frame twice. What's the hardest part is doing the door. So you're going to have to do the back side twice, then flip it over, put it on something nice, and do the front twice. So we'll get all that done in the next couple hours. We may have to split this up because it's already getting a little dark. But, well, we'll see what we can get done today, and we'll go from there. Paint today, Behr Prime and Paint. It's a satin. It's like a mid-gray, not a real name to it. So that's what we'll be using today. Alright, we've let 2 layers of paint dry, and now what we're going to do is scuff it up. So this is a step that you could skip if you wanted to leave it solid, but we want to scuff it up, give it a vintage look. So we're going to do the drawers, the door, the frame, then we'll wipe it out, clean it up, and then we can wax it. Again, remember, you can skip this step if you don't want that worn in look. We're going to use old 80 grit sandpaper, which works amazing, so let's get started. we wiped it down. Now we're gonna apply some wax to it, finishing wax here. Polyurethane finishing wax. Gonna do the whole piece, all the drawers, frame, door and drawers, and then we can start putting the hardware on. So this is the last time you're gonna see it before it's completed. So let's get started. Old rag and finishing wax. Alright, here it is completed. It's like a mid-gray 9-drawer dresser. We scuffed it all up, and well, the end result's quite amazing. Love it. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, leave us a comment, and I always appreciate those nice thumbs up that I get. I'm going to do a quick run by of this so you can see a nice close-up of it. I want you to enjoy your day.